DJ Fem Production.
Oh, yeah, pass me the reason. Make I unlock the ginger. Any style I deliver. Anybody when I like me, they come out there, cause they know get to leave. Some of them not deceivers. I'm a come to fetch a Monaco, but they know get to visa. I'm a man, I'm a yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you an easy way to stretch your natural hair without applying heat. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to stretch my natural hair without heat. You know, when you want to do like your box braid, or you want to straighten your hair or flat iron your hair, it's definitely very important for you to make sure that you're doing that on a stretched hair. Especially for instance, if you're doing braiding styles like box braid and all that, you need to do that on a stretched hair. I am not a fan of blow dryer. That's why I prefer doing this method, and it's really easy to do. I prefer using wool to thread my hair because it's more gentle on the hair. It's softer, so it's more gentle on our hair. And the good thing about it is that when you thread your hair, I just took down the threading. This is the thread I used. I'm definitely going to reuse it. I'm going to keep using it, so you can reuse it if you want. You don't have to throw it away. So guys, this is definitely a safe and an easy way to stretch your natural hair without putting too much pressure on it. And I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, don't forget to like this video. Now let's just get into the tutorial. So guys, I'm starting on a clean, freshly washed hair. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. If you see the part of my hair sticking out in front, is the area I recently stretched out, so that's why it's sticking out. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Jamaican castor oil. Then now I'm going to go ahead and apply my coconut oil, especially on my edges. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my T44Z hair cream. Then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. My hair is a little bit wet. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair to make it easier for me to work with. I'm gonna get my wool ready. I'll be using 2 wool put together for each thread. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair very well. Like I said earlier on, my hair is a little bit wet, so I'm gonna detangle my hair very well, and then I'm gonna take my wool and start wrapping it round. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep threading the hair. So if you guys notice, after doing the threading, I leave an extra thread on the tip of the thread because I want to pack everything at the end of you know, making the thread.
We're moving out of town. Pack a few picture frames before we're done. I scraped up all the change up under our bed. We're getting out of here. I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change. We're driving state to state until
So I finished making the thread. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and apply my T440Z hair cream. Then I'm going to take an extra thread and start packing the hair. So after packing the hair into two, I'm going to go ahead and attach the each side onto the other side. So this is what it looks like after doing it. So right now I'm going to go ahead and put on my satin bonnet and I'm going to go to bed. So the next day I'm going to go ahead and take it off and apply my Jamaican castor oil. After applying my Jamaican castor oil, I'm going to go ahead and start unraveling the thread. You guys can always use the thread 2 times. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my T440Z hair cream.
Pack up your perfume and all your clothes.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and start combing my hair out.
It's time to go now. We're moving out of town, Pack a few picture frames before we're done.
Since I started using rice water, the shedding on my hair has really reduced.
We're getting out of here. I've been dreaming about the golden.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a huge Shein try on haul. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by